Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the 17th match in round one, and the scores are Titchfield High on 29 and Albertown High on 11. And just to make you aware that the judges did not accept the answer for the question, what does the Spanish verb peinar mean? Because the team said, Titchfield said, to comb one's hair, and the judges want to comb. And Titchfield gained a point for the question, what is the formula for iron 3 oxide? They said Fe2O3, and that is indeed correct. So now let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, and teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see, 4 minutes on the clock, please. And may I remind teams, do not shout. The first question is from Bible knowledge. Which of the Gospels appears last? Titchfield High.
St. John.
Correct, in the Bible. Biology. What is the name given to a cell which has a nucleus enclosed within internal membranes? Titchfield High.
Eukaryote.
No, it's you. Yes, we'll take that. Eukaryotic cell. English language. Spell the word abstruse. Titchfield High.
Abstruse.
A-B-S-T-R-U-S-E.
Correct, which means difficult to understand or obscure. Local affairs teams, it's a visual question. Please look at the screen and identify the person. Titchfield High.
This is Dave Noel.
No, Jerome Smalling, president of Jamaica Bankers Association. Chemistry, which chemical is called Chile? Albertown High. And the bell went. It's sodium nitrate. Chili saltpeter, the question would have asked for. Music and audio question teams, please listen to the clip and identify the group. Titchfield High.
Queen.
Is correct. General knowledge, how many squares are there on a chessboard? Titchfield High.
64.
Is correct. Spanish, which specific part of the body is el vientre? Titchfield High.
Stomach.
The abdomen or belly is what we're looking for. Geography, what is the largest island in the Mediterranean? Titchfield High.
Sicily.
Correct. Mediterranean Sea. Theatre and cinema teams, it's a visual question. Please look at the screen and identify the person. Titchfield High.
Daniel Kaluuya.
Is correct. Information technology. Which disk technology emerged from an industry-wide agreement to combine competing SD or super density and MMCD multimedia compact discs formats? It's DVD history. After World War II concluded, what organization was created to prevent? Titchfield High.
United Nations.
Correct, to prevent such a conflict from ever breaking out again. Mathematics, solve the inequality. X minus 3 is less than minus 6. Titchfield High.
X is less than minus 3.
Is correct. Physics. When Ohm's law for thermal conduction is compared with its electrical equivalent, temperature difference is analogous to voltage drop. Thermal resistance is the analog of electrical resistance. What is the analog of electric current? Rate of heat transfer is the answer. Sports, a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. Titchfield High.
Sergio Aguero.
Is correct. Jamaican heritage. What is the English translation for the Jamaican expression? Mia Godonde. Titchfield High.
I'm going down here.
Is correct. French. What food is lubar? Titchfield High? or loup barré?
Butter.
Is correct. Literature. Which Shakespearean play features the characters of, and we won't have time for that one, because that's the final bell and the end of the final challenge and also the end of the match. The scores are Titchfield High on 49 points and Albertown High on 9 points. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.